Ja sam prezadovoljan, sva ova djeca, svi ovi mladi sportisti, svi oni koji su došli na ovaj plato između bazena, sportskog centra i našeg ministarstva osjetili su taj duh jedne atmosfere i jedne glavne poruke, da živimo zdravi život, da se bavi fizičkom aktivnošću i da napravimo svi jedan mali korak kako bi sport postao dio nas.
Gdje je sport, tu sam i ja i na poziv ministarstva sam došla i drago mi je da vidim ovoliki broj djece i prisutnih i sportista i treba što više ovakvih događaja u Podgorici, glavnom gradu, i ne sumnjam da će ministarstvo i grad Podgorica napredovati u ovom smislu i ovo je jedna prilika više da se djeca zabave i da vide šta je to sport.
We're very happy to be here tonight with the colleagues from the EU delegation and other embassies. This is a fantastic event. We're co-sponsoring the European Sports Week. It's very important to be active, and we're very happy to have put such a fantastic team, and we're very honored to play with such a fantastic team of former athletes and current athletes from Montenegro. So, this is about fun and being out in fresh air, so we hope that everybody enjoys.
I think it's great to see this kind of event being organised for young people. I think sport for young people is so important. It gets them building links with other people in the community. It gives them something to do that keeps them active. It's healthy. It helps them to form relationships. So generally, I think it's a good thing. I'm actually here this evening because my son is playing in the team for Diplomats. So I'm looking forward to it.